Hello guys, we are here now at Top Station Manila. Isang maliit na bar lang siya. It is open air. This is located at Adriatico, corner Padre Faura. The service was excellent, mabait po yung staff nila at pwede kang mamili ng songs na gusto mong marinig. There are a lot of beer choices, even if it's pricey, I think na ma-enjoy mo din. Tapos they have photos old Manila na nakahanging sa brick walls. So ayun guys, kung gusto niyo ng hindi masyado maingay, hindi masyadong crowded, pwede kayo dito. Meron din silang pizza and other foods na ino-offer.